moving forward toward the future. Life is like a river, always flowing forward, never stopping, never turning back. No matter how much we wish to hold onto the past or pause time, the future continues to unfold before us. It is an open road filled with endless possibilities, opportunities, and challenges. To truly live, we must embrace this journey and move forward with courage, hope, and determination. However, moving forward is not always easy. It requires us to step out of our comfort zones, let go of our fears, and trust in ourselves too. It means leaving behind the doubts that hold us back and embracing the unknown with confidence. The future is uncertain, but that is what makes it exciting. Every new day is a chance to grow, to run, and to create the life we truly desire. The fear of the unknown. One of the greatest obstacles to moving forward is fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of making the wrong choices. We often hesitate to take the next step because we are uncertain about what lies ahead. What the truth is, no one knows the future. Even the most carefully made plans can change in an instant. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean, unsure of how deep the water is or where it might lead to. If you never take the first step, you will never know what adventures lie ahead. Many people spend their lives standing at the shore, afraid to dive in, but those who find success, happiness, and fulfillment are the ones who take the leap despite their fears. Fear is natural, but it should never control us. The best way to overcome fear is to face it head on. Take small steps if necessary, but keep moving. Every step forward brings you closer to your dreams. Running from the past, but not living in it. The past holds valuable lessons. Our experiences, both good and bad, shape who we are. But while it is important to run from the past, We must not let it define us. Too often, people get trapped in past mistakes, regrets, or missed opportunities. They replay old memories, wishing they had done things differently, but dwelling on the past will not change it. The only thing we can change is the present and how we choose to shape our future. Instead of regretting past failures, use them as stepping stones. Every mistake teaches us something. Every disappointment strengthens us. The key is to take those lessons and use them to build a better future. Think of the past as a book you have already read. You can reflect on the lessons within its pages, but the next chapter has yet to be written. The pen is in your hands. What story will you create for yourself? The power of goals and dreams. Having a clear vision for the future gives us direction. Without goals, we wander aimlessly, unsure of where we are going. Setting goals, whether big or small, helps us stay focused and motivated. Ask yourself, what do I truly want in life? It could be a dream career, better health, stronger relationships, or personal growth. Whatever it is, take time to visualize it. Picture yourself at achieving it. Feel the joy and fulfillment it brings. But dreaming alone is not enough. Action is what turns dreams into reality. Start by setting small, achievable goals. Break them down into daily steps. Celebrate small victories along the way. Progress them be slow, but every step forward counts. Remember, success is not about reaching the destination instantly. It is about the journey, the lessons learned, and the growth experience along the way. Overcoming setbacks and challenges. No journey is without obstacles. There will be moments of doubt, failure, and frustration, but setbacks are not signs to give up. They are tests of perseverance. Think of successful individuals, entrepreneurs, artists, athletes. None of them achieved great greatness without facing failures. What sets them apart is their ability to keep going despite challenges. They see failure not as defeat but as lessons. But when faced with difficulties, shift your mindset. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? Growth comes from struggle. Strength is built through resilience. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger and wiser. Surrounding yourself with positivity. The people we surround ourselves with have a great impact on our mindset and motivation. If we were constantly around negativity, doubt, or discouragement, it becomes harder to move forward. Seek out those who inspire and uplift you. Find mentors, friends, or communities that support your dreams. Engage in conversations that fuel your motivation. Avoid negativity that drains your energy. Positivity is not just about the people around you, it is also about how you speak to yourself. Replace self doubt with self encouragement. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I will find a way. Instead of thinking it's too late for me, remind yourself every new day is a chance to start again. Taking action today, not tomorrow. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. Many people say, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. The perfect time to take action is now, even if the steps are small. What matters is that you are moving forward. If, if you have a dream, start today. Read a book, take a course, write down your goals, make a plan. Even the smallest action brings you closer to where you want to be. There will never be a perfect time. The stars will never align perfectly. The conditions will never be just right. But the only way to make progress is to start right now. Believing in yourself. Confidence is the key to moving forward. Believe that you are capable, that you have the strength to overcome challenges, and that you deserve success and happiness. Doubt will try to creep in. Others may tell you that your dreams are impossible, but Remember, every great achievement in history started with someone who believed it was possible. You have everything you need within you. You are stronger than your peers, greater than your past mistakes, and more capable than you realize. Conclusion: the future awaits. The road ahead is filled with endless possibilities. Your dreams are waiting for you. Your goals are within reach. The only thing standing between you and your future is the decision to move forward, to take that first step, let go of fear, embrace the unknown with excitement, trust in yourself and the journey ahead. The best chapters of your life have you to be written, and you are the author. Keep moving forward. The future is yours to create.